Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce exposure with Bank of America easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce your exposure with Bank of America, start by logging into your online banking account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on your dashboard. Select the account you wish to adjust or review. Look for the Settings or Preferences option within that Accounts page. Click on Settings to access various account options. Locate the Privacy or Security settings within that menu. In the Privacy settings, find the section for Privacy Preferences. Here, you may see options related to data sharing and exposure. Review these options carefully and select the ones that limit your exposure. If available, choose to opt out of data sharing with third parties. Be sure to save any changes you make before navigating away from this page. Next, return to the main dashboard and check for any additional security settings. Look for features like alerts and notifications. Enable alerts for any unusual account activity. Consider setting up multi-factor authentication for enhanced security. After adjusting your preferences, log out of your online account. Keep an eye on your account statements for any unauthorized transactions. Regularly review your privacy settings to stay updated on Bank of America's policies. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your exposure with Bank of America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.